Did you know that most traders kill their laptop's performance without realizing it? Are you one of them? I hope not. These are the top mistakes I see traders making with their laptops and how to fix them before they cost you real money. If you rely on your laptop to execute trades, analyze charts, or just stay connected during market hours, you need to avoid every single one of these. Okay, here we go. Mistake number 1. Letting dust kill your performance. Did you know that your laptop is sucking in air all day to stay cool? The trouble is, it's also sucking in dust. And over time, that dust chokes airflow, builds heat, and kills performance. It's like expecting a race car to run full speed with a towel over the radiator. Clean it out every 6 to 12 months. Simply blow compressed air through the vents and clean gently around those fans. If you trade near pets or near carpet, or you eat at your desk, consider running an air purifier nearby. Mistake number 2, using your trading laptop on a bed or on the couch. Trading from your lap or a soft surface might be comfortable, but you're suffocating that cooling system. The vents underneath need open space. If you block them, you're going to overheat, and then it's going to throttle your performance right when you need it most. So always trade on a desk so there's plenty of airflow. You can use a laptop riser, or what I really recommend is a cooling pad. Give your machine room to breathe and keep the sides and the rear clear so hot air can escape. When we run trading laptop sales, we always include a laptop cooler as a bonus. Mistake number 3, trading on battery power. If you're not plugged in, you're not getting full power on that laptop. Laptops throttle performance on battery to conserve juice. This means slower data feeds, charting lag, and potential execution delays, slippage. Plus, constant charge and discharge cycles shorten your battery life. Plug your laptop into the wall every single session. If your outlet's far away, grab a quality surge-protected extension cord. And by the way, if you want to know exactly what to look for in a new laptop for trading, grab my free guide, The Complete Guide to Laptops for Traders. It'll save you thousands of bucks and give you peace of mind every single trading session, and the link is right in the description. Mistake number 4, manhandling the laptop, being rough with it, and manhandling the lid and the hinges. Too many traders snap their laptop open from one corner, or yank it open with one hand, or they throw it around with the lid open. That uneven pressure strains those hinges, and sooner or later they snap. Treat your laptop like the precision tool that it is. Always open it from the center and use 2 hands. Mistake number 5, I see this one a lot, ignoring critical updates. Updates aren't just about new features. They're about security, stability, and raw performance. Remember, you're logged into a trading account with access to your money. The security is super important. So always install Windows updates. Check the Microsoft Store separately, or you can click Start and Windows Update to check for recent updates. And remember to keep your graphics drivers current as well. And don't forget to update your trading platform. These platforms have your best interest in mind with bug fixes, stability, and of course, security. Mistake number 6, not tying your trading software to the NVIDIA graphics processor in your laptop. If your laptop has an NVIDIA graphics card, like all of ours do at Easy Trading Computers, it has an integrated GPU. So Windows might be running your trading platform on the weaker integrated chip. Here is how to fix it. Right-click on the desktop, choose NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, and then Program Settings. Find your trading platform application. Set the preferred graphics processor to high-performance NVIDIA processor. Click Apply and restart the laptop. Also, think about connecting an external monitor. On most laptops, the HDMI port or the DisplayPort outputs connect directly to the NVIDIA graphics card. That gives you better performance instantly. Mistake number 7, over-tuning your system. Some traders never touch the performance settings, and I truly agree that you should never touch them, especially if you buy the computer from us. We have it all optimized for you. But if you're going to try to overclock your laptop, you are going to have real issues. People wind up going overboard, and that winds up crashing the computer, the laptop mid-trade. It's the last thing in the world you want. If you're making any of the mistakes I just mentioned, now's the time to fix them. Your trading laptop is your command center for your entire business. Treat it like one. And if you want to know what to look for in a trading laptop or a desktop, again, go grab my guide, The Complete Guide to Trading Computers and The Complete Guide to Laptops. Those links are in the description. I promise I'll make purchasing a new laptop or desktop for trading as easy as it can possibly be. I'm Eddie Z. I hope this helped you. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in this video right here.